Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what are the materials I use for my pencil drawings. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I show you my drawing materials, let me give you a small disclaimer that none of these materials are sponsored. Okay, so I am starting with the basic materials, which are the pencil, paper and the eraser. I use this Staedtler Lumograph pencils. These are graphite pencils and this box contains 6 grades of pencil from HB to 8B. This is the HB pencil and this is the 8B pencil. As you can see, my 7B pencil is already finished and I have this 11B pencil as well, which I bought from local store. I must say that these pencils are really smooth on paper. I have this Staedtler Lumograph Black series pencils also. These are more black, you can say. I think they use a blend of charcoal and graphite to make these pencils. This box contains 2 2B pencil, 2 4B pencil, 1 6B and 1 8B pencil. These pencils are really smooth as compared to the charcoal pencils. As you can see, this is the 2B pencil, this is 4B, this is 6B and this is 8B. Now apart from that, you can see these two pencils also. This is the Apsara 4H pencil. This is very light and this is the Apsara charcoal pencil. This is a soft charcoal pencil and this is the most darkest pencil in my arsenal. In mechanical pencil, I have 4 of them from Tombow monograph series. 3 of them are 0.5 mm with HB, 2B and 4B lead and this one is 0.3 mm with HB lead. These are the leads as I have mentioned. These are 0.5 mm leads, HB, 2B and 4B, and this is the 0.3 mm lead, HB. Now comes the paper. I use Bristol heavyweight ultra smooth paper. These are of 250 GSM and I have them in A4 and A3 size. Now talking about eraser, I use this Classmate Eraser and this generic mechanical eraser. But if you need more control on your erasing, you can use this kneaded eraser. It can be made into any shape as per your need. The most useful feature of this eraser is that it does not damages your paper surface. I have this Tombow Mono Zero eraser also. This is one of the most popular eraser amongst the artists. This eraser is useful to make highlights and drawing hair strands. And the last one is this electric eraser from Brustro. This I only use for highlighting the details. I use a sandpaper to sharpen the eraser tip. For blending, I use these paper stumps and I also use cotton balls and this cotton swabs. I also use brush for blending. This is the brush which I generally use, but I recently bought this makeup brush kit. I have not used them yet, as you can see. But you will definitely see them in my future videos. This is the ruler I use. This is from Isomer company. This has different ratios mentioned in each edges, which are sometimes really helpful. Apart from that, I use this generic ruler from Classmate. This is the sharpener I use to sharpen my pencils. This is from the company called Chrome and this is a long point sharpener and is really very good. This is a proportional divider which is used when you want to enlarge a drawing with respect to the reference photograph. Please write in the comment if you want a separate video on this tool. This is a compass which we all are familiar with. This is a value finder scale which I made. This is really helpful to select which pencil to use for a particular tone. If you don't have one, I would highly suggest you to make one for yourself. This will make your life a lot easy. This is a masking tape which I use to hold my drawing paper to the surface. You can get it from any local store. Oftentimes when your pencil gets shorter, you need a pencil holder like this one. This is a crafting knife. You can use it for cutting papers and also for making highlights. Recently I have purchased these two powders from Creta Color. This one is graphite powder and this one is charcoal powder. The grains are really very fine and easy to blend. These powders are helpful when you have to cover large surface area, for example sky. You can use them with brush or cotton ball. Finally, once my drawing is finished, I spray this fixative from Camel. This will prevent the drawing from getting any smudges and preserve it for a longer time. Yes, these many materials might feel overwhelming, but always remember, to get started with your first pencil drawing, all you need is one pencil, one eraser and a paper. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want more videos like this or any other topic related to drawing. Until then, bye bye, take care and dhanyavad.